In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Patreon benefits. If you want to make your membership tiers more appealing and clearly show supporters what they'll receive, adding benefits is an important step. Patreon lets you attach specific perks to each tier, which helps patrons understand the value of joining and makes your membership page feel more polished and complete. To get started, open your Patreon creator dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Membership. This is where you manage your membership structure, including all of your available tiers. If you have multiple tiers set up, take a moment to identify the one you want to update before moving forward. Next, find the specific tier you want to edit and click Edit. This opens the tier editor where you can adjust the details for that membership level. It's a good idea to make sure you're editing the correct tier, especially if different levels offer different perks. Once you're inside the tier editor, scroll down until you reach the Benefits section. Here, click on Add Benefits. Patreon may show you some recommended perk options, which can be helpful if you want a quick starting point. If none of those fit what you offer, you can also create a custom benefit instead. This gives you flexibility to match the perk to your own content, community, or creative workflow. After choosing the option you want, click on Add Benefit to continue. This is the point where you begin setting up the actual perk that patrons will see attached to that tier. Now define the details of the benefit. Start by entering a short, clear title for the perk. Keep it specific and easy to understand, because this title helps patrons quickly recognize what they're getting. Then choose the most appropriate category for that benefit. Selecting the right category helps keep your membership organized and makes the offer feel more professional and easier to browse. When everything looks right, click Add Benefit. After that, don't forget the final step. Scroll to the bottom of the tier editor and click Save. This is what makes the change live for your patrons. If you skip saving, the new benefit won't be applied to the tier. And that's it. You've successfully added a Patreon benefit to one of your membership tiers. As a quick tip, make sure your benefit titles are simple, consistent, and aligned with what patrons can actually expect. Clear benefit descriptions build trust and can make it easier for supporters to choose the tier that's right for them.